Hi everyone. Passion. What exactly is passion and how do we find it? Before even finding a passion, have we really understood what it means? Have we mistaken our hobbies for our passion? Or did we just assume that if we were extremely good at something, we tagged it as our passion? Today's video is just about figuring the same and delving deep inside ourselves to find its meaning and discovering our passion. The dictionary states that the meaning of passion as a strong and barely controllable emotion or a very powerful feeling. Let's pick the keywords here: strong emotion and powerful feeling. Emotion and feelings are what makes us human what we are. Without them, we are just like the directionless ships in the middle of the sea. Passion is something which acts like a navigator to take us to our shores. Without it, we might stay afloat and would head in the direction where the winds take us. We may still reach a shore, but would it be the one that belongs to us? This is where the quest begins. Have you ever wondered why some people excel in what they do and create benchmarks which are looked upon by everyone? What do they do differently and how do they achieve excellence in those areas? Why do they never tire out doing the same thing over and over again? How did they add the extra to their ordinary self and become extraordinary? When they began, they were not special. They were one amongst the crowd. The only thing they knew well was that they loved the most. It wasn't merely an activity or a hobby for them. It was something that they wanted their world to revolve around. They made it their core and built their life around it. They ate, drank, slept, breathed, lived, making that center as their whole world. This something is what we call passion. Often I have heard people asking, how do we find our passion? Let us ask ourselves a few simple questions. What is something that we find joy in even if we are asked to do it after an exhausting and tiring day? What is something that gives us a sense of completeness and contentment when we perform it? What makes our eyes glitter and soul filled with excitement when we talk about it to our friends and family? What is something for which, even if we are not paid for, it would still motivate us to show up every morning? And what is something that would make us feel that our life has a purpose and without it we would be like that directionless ship? Don't shoot down the thoughts which just came to your mind. As a modern day humans, we have been programmed to let go what comes naturally and have second thoughts on the same. Well, at least in case of finding your passion, it's not true. Now, hold on to that thought. Remember when we began? We spoke about strong emotion and powerful feeling. Whatever you felt when you pondered upon those questions is the first and foremost step to discover your passion. Zeroing in would not be easy. Sometimes we eventually have more than a handful things that we might be passionate about. It's alright. You are headed in the right direction. If you have one single passion, great. But if you have a couple of them that you are equally fond of, try correlating it with another parameter: purpose. Let's look at some examples to develop more clarity. For example, one of the greatest cricketers of all times, MS Dhoni. While growing up, Dhoni loved football and was the goalkeeper of his team, representing at district and state level. But when he chose to pursue his passion, cricket, it was fueled with the purpose of serving his country. This is called passion with purpose. If your quest has begun to discover your passion, it's the turning point of your life. Research says that 90% of people don't know what's their passion in life. Less than 10% discover their passion and hardly 1% live their passion. There's no other joy than finding passion in our lives which are fueled with purpose. When Steve Jobs took the podium at Stanford Stadium to give the commencement speech to Stanford's graduating class of 2005, he addressed a crowd of 23,000 with a short speech that drew lessons from his life. He offered the following advice.
Got to find what you love, and that is as true for work as it is for your lovers. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking and don't settle.
I'll leave you with this thought today and see you in my next video. Take care.